The basic pattern, when sewn, looks like this. The basic pattern is the first step to styling a pattern. The sewn basic pattern is a shell of the body. For one, the neckline is too high for most styles. Here is an image of a sewn basic pattern. The basic pattern when sewn looks like this. The first thing is the neckline is rather too high. This can be lowered, styled and shaped. Examples are the square neck, the V-neck, a low drop round neck. In this course, we'll be creating different styles. We will transfer the basic pattern into 4 main styles which form the basis of fashion designing. We will achieve this by moving the bust dart. The bust dart can be moved to different parts of the front bodies of the pattern, but it must always radiate from the bust point. This will in turn give us different styles to our pattern. The first style is transferring the bust dart to the hemline. The second is transferring the bust dart to the neckline. The third is manipulating the bust dart to create the classic princess seam, and finally manipulate the bust dart to create the armhole princess seam. So, let's dig in.